right, ladies and gentlemen, it is Driftsgiving here at IMI Motorsports Park. Got the Yankee Zoku crew behind us, got the Drift Factory dudes over here. The day is just getting started. So got Dale over here in his 350Zs, got the $900 Beamer, Dangerous Dan Whipple, got Brandon. It's gonna be a sick day. Got the IS all unloaded. I'm gonna just actually kill these tires to start with. These are those Cosmo Mucho Machos. And then I just gotta double check that this little oil drip on my turbo is taken care of, and then I'm ready to get out there and rip. 2020 IS300 drifting. Yes, GTXG. Wow, thing's sick, man. Out on track. The IS is killing it, feeling really good. Although those Cosmos did not last worth a shit. So this is, what, 4 laps? And these Cosmos are almost dead already. They felt like ice skating. But got some sick tandems in with Danger Dan here. And also Brandon over there. So thus far, it's been a sick day, and hopefully continues to be sick. Wow, look at this thing. Five-liter Fox Body V8. Wow. Got the slow boys here. Got Nick, Cody, Blake. This guy's over here just fucking letting coolant everywhere. Mad Max Mobile. Danger Dan.
We were kind of tuning and doing some stuff this morning.
My tires are so dead.
Dude, this thing is, oh my gosh.
Thank you, kind sir. It's your good deed of the day. Defuse the bomb. Well, we killed all the 17s, well, and I guess one set of the 18s too. Now we're back on the 18 Johnnies here, the Cosmos, the OG wheels. So brand new set of Westlake's. We have one more set to go. The IS is just doing flawless today. Just absolutely running strong. Again, not having a clutch kick nearly as much. Temps are staying down with the new radiator. And you know, I'm still getting like a little hint of smoke every now and then off the turbo, but it's, you know, obviously getting hot as shit. But I think I have just like a slight coolant seeping leak right here. Thus far, the oil line stayed tight. Loving it. Gonna give the son a quick rip. Like father, like son. Oh yeah, see what he thinks.
Probably 350, 375 at the crank based on what I've done to it and, you know, what people claim.
Yeah. I'll give these guys a little room. that 360 cam up in the air. That's wild. There's some good tire carnage aftermath. Deflating this bum before it blows in my car. Load it back up and send it. Jacked up. Got a fresh set. Good freshies on there. Gonna rock the dark 18s. This is the last out, the 1-1. Gotta save enough to drive home on. Let's do this. IS, Lexus, just NAT each section. Trying to back in. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it was an amazing drift day. Probably one of my favorite. The IS performed perfectly all day. So basically killed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tires today. And then I got these guys just enough to drive home. So it's a great day. Maybe the best. Again, the power with the IS300 is just amazing. The handling, the way it bites, I'm just totally in love. But I gotta show you guys this. Check this out as we're leaving here. Is this a 6 Series Beamer? No way. 625 CI. Does he actually drift this thing? sit pretty well. There we go. Yankee Zoku, boys. Shut it down, being safe. But I want to thank you guys for watching along. I want to thank you, Dale, for all the sweet shots. I can't wait to include those. Thank you, Dangerous Dan, and his whole crew, and Nick, and Blake, and Cody. Fucking awesome day. Let's go.